first they move together, every phase aligned. One signal, one rhythm, one pattern in time. Then tiny differences pull each wave apart. But silence does not always mean the system lost its heart. Atoms in the ensemble, spins inside the frame, nearly matching frequencies but never quite the same. One runs a little faster, one is falling behind. The signal starts to vanish though the order still survives. It looks like random motion when the phases spread wide, but each one keeps evolving with its history inside. Nothing has been deleted, nothing truly erased. The rhythm has gone hidden in the spacing of the phase. What is drifted out of step can meet again in time, with the pulse placed in the middle and the timing set right. Turn the motion, flip the pattern, let the pathways realign. Then the echo breaks the silence like a signal coming alive.
Rephasing, bring the motion back in line. Every wave returns to one collective sign. What disappeared in noise can rise again and shine. The coherence was hidden, never left behind. The coherence was hidden, never left behind.
Rephasing. When controlling time and meat, we turn scattered evolution into one returning beat.
If the information lives, the echo speaks in.
Picture runners on a track, all beginning side by side. Small differences in speed make the distance multiply. Then a turn and pulse arrives and reverses how they move. The ones that led fall backward, those behind regain the groove. After equal weight and time, they gather once again. Many separate motions form a single wave of strength. That is how the spin echo makes the hidden order show. Prepare, wait, reverse the phase, then listen for the glow. But not every loss of order can be fully undone. True decoherence means the dynamic has begun. When the outside world takes hold and the quantum record breaks, no perfect pulse can recreate the path that it erased. Reversible dephasing is a different kind of fight. The pattern is still present, only buried out of sight. A photon echo carries the same logic in the light. Atomic dipoles drift until the phases lose a line. A second flash can redirect the way the motions grow. Then they radiate together in a focused time glow. Inside a quantum memory, a photon does not stay. Its information moves into a medium for another day. Rephasing calls it forward at a chosen point in time, sending stored quantum data back as order beams of light.
Dynamic decoupling can push slow noise away, but every pulse needs accuracy to make the signal stay.
Energy loss, pulse errors, fluctuations in the field can weaken every echo and reduce the final yield.
Rephasing, bring the motion back in line. Every wave returns to one collective sign. What disappeared in noise can rise again and shine. The coherence was hidden, never left behind. Coherence was hidden, left behind.
Rephasing, for the sensor and the Qubit, for the memories and networks of a future built with it.
When the information lives, control can bring it back to life. Not every silence means the signal has been lost.
Sometimes order is only hidden, and when the phases find each other again,
The quiet becomes an echo.